Alright, we're back here on Thursday. Bitcoin continues to move down. So yeah, my analysis yesterday was way off, obviously. I took a few longs that were very ill-advised, I think, and so we'll cover that. But yeah, as for Bitcoin, I even kind of said yesterday I expect it to still move down to this major support down here. And it wasn't respecting this trend enough. um, so I thought for some reason that it could bounce here, go back to this resistance zone, and then pop down. So I thought I could sneak in a quick long, but that was just a bad idea. And this candle is exactly why, because this is a clear rejection off this trend zone. Now that I look at it in hindsight. Yeah, that's a bad area to long. It's kind of a small zone as well. And if I wanted to long, like, I just wait till down here. Like, there's no reason to take a long when it's headed downwards into a downtrend. Yeah, that's just silly. But anyways, let's cover those longs I took yesterday. Quantum looked really good to me because this trend zone was holding really good. It broke this zone here, came for retest, so I'm like, let's long that. And yeah, that was not a successful trade, obviously. Broke straight through my stop. And Wi-Fi, same thing. Is forming this wedge pattern, and a lot of times those work out, but this time it did not. Crashed through that trend and broke my stop. And Ethereum, this is another one. Ethereum was popping off really hard, so I thought it could be a really good long at this zone here. It probably still could have worked out if I had my stop, well below this zone here. But, well, I mean, we'll see where it heads from here. But even if I wanted to long there, then like this would be a better candle here. So, anyways, yeah, it's pretty bad day yesterday, but that's just a learning lesson, a learning lesson, a lesson in not breaking my rules, because I've learned that lesson a lot when I try to trade against the daily trend or the weekly trend or whatever. It doesn't go well for me, so I don't know how many of those lessons I'll need until I fix it, but hopefully that's the last one. Yeah, that being said, I'd like to see it come back to one of these zones so I can short it now. And feel good about its direction. But moving on to the other watches for today. I had a couple that are moving against the market today that are up 7%. So we got Atom, had this huge accumulation candle. It's coming back to retest this zone. I don't know if that's quite a break of this zone and a retest, but yeah, but I kind of want to see if I could long here, because that's the trend of Atom today. And same thing with Maker. It's like it's going crazy. Kind of want to see if it could bounce off this zone. That looks like more clear of a break and retest to me, but yeah, those two are the only two longs I'm looking at today, and that's just because they're in uptrend. And then the rest I just have alerts for shorts. Once they come and hit their resistance zones, I'll get an alert. So yeah, that's all I'm doing today. Hope to recover from those terrible losses And but we learn, we'll move on. So that's all for today.